Why does anybody care if you have large deposits? Large deposits is probably the most common condition that we're seeing over the last year or two, and many people don't understand why that's any big deal. What we're trying to do from an underwriting standpoint is make sure that the quality of our buyers, it stays at a high level, and that the money that's used for the transaction indeed came from the source that we've said that it has. We're usually trying to make sure that either that money has come from the buyer themselves or that it's come from a gift source that is allowable under underwriting guidelines. So if anybody has any deposits that are anything other than what we can see came directly from payroll, then we're most often going to have to track down exactly where that money came from. During the transaction, if you were to receive any large sums of money, usually around $500 or larger, we're going to need to track down exactly where that money came from so that the underwriter is comfortable that those funds were not ill-gotten gains or laundered money or given to you from the seller. We just need to make sure that any of the funds that are used for your down payment are actually coming from you or from an allowable gift source. That's why we have to track down any large deposits. And also another reason why, if you're receiving any gifts that have nothing to do with the transaction, that you keep those monies aside so that you don't have to get them mixed up in the transaction. I hope that's been a helpful tip. Thanks.